Hey there, Wearaholic. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring a topic that's all about staying connected and never losing track of your valuable devices. Have you ever found yourself frantically searching for your Garmin device or your phone, only to discover they have seemingly vanished into thin air? Well, fret no more, because we have got you covered with an in-depth tutorial on Garmin's Find My Device and Find My Phone features. So stick around as we walk you through the step-by-step process of ensuring that your devices are always just a few taps away from being found. Let's get started. If you are not as organized and keep your smartwatch wherever you like, then chances are very high that you might lose your Garmin watch in your home. But you don't have to worry. Garmin offers the Find My Device feature that is specially made for people like you and me. Using this feature, you can find your Garmin watch or fitness tracker if it is in the Bluetooth range and is connected to your smartphone. To use this feature, follow these steps. Open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Tap on the More tab present at the bottom right corner. Next, go to Garmin Devices. After that, select your smartwatch or fitness tracker. Then, tap on Find My Device. This will make your Garmin fitness tracker or smartwatch ring and vibrate. As a result, you will easily be able to find it. On the other hand, if you lost your smartwatch outside of your house or somebody stole it, then there is no way of finding it. Apart from locating your smartwatch, with the Garmin Find My Phone feature, you can find your missing phone as well. Here's how you can find your phone using a Garmin smartwatch or fitness tracker. Press and hold the menu button on your watch to bring up the controls menu. After that, select the Find My Phone icon. Your phone should now sound an alert if it's within the range. Press back to halt the search. That's all for today's video. We hope you were able to find your Garmin watch with your phone or vice versa. If this tutorial helped you find your device, then show us your appreciation by liking and sharing this video. You can subscribe to this channel for more amazing content related to wearables in the future.